my friends, happy Monday, and it's reading time. Today's story is Hello Airplane by Bill Cotter. So the airplane is another form of transportation, right? Because it takes us from where we live, which is New York, to another state, like maybe California or another country as well, right? Because sometimes in the car it's too long to go to somewhere else very far away. All right, you guys ready? Let's start. Yes. The airplane says goodbye to the ground. Look, it was in the ground. Now it's time to take off. Let's see where the airplane is going. The airplane says hello to the sky, right? So this form of transportation, the airplane, it goes on the sky, right? Like the helicopter, a hot air balloon, a spaceship. All of those vehicles go up on the air in the sky. The airplane is filled with people. The airplane flies over the town. It's all the way up here, my friend. Do you see it? Up in the sky. Sometimes when we go outside, we can see airplanes in the sky as well. The airplane flies over the trees. Can you see the airplane? It looks tiny up here, right? Because it's all the way up in the sky. It looks so tiny. But when it's close up, the airplane's pretty big, my friends. The airplane flies over the mountains. Do you see the airplane? It's right here. It's flying over the mountain, which means it's really, really high. The airplane flies through the clouds, right? Through the clouds. Because the clouds are up in the sky as well. The airplane flies through the night. Now it's nighttime, my friends, which means probably wherever they're going, it's very far away. The airplane says hello to the stars. Hello, stars. The airplane flies into the morning. You're able to see the sun as well, my friends. The airplane makes shadows on the clouds. Look, this is the shadow of the airplane. The airplane flies above the birds. Can you see the airplane? Do you see it? Right there, my friends, all the way up in the sky. The airplane flies over the people, right? Do you see the airplane? It's up in the sky, my friends. Do you see it? It's right up there, my friends. Up, up, up in the sky. The airplane says hello to the ground. Look, it landed. It arrived to its destination, my friends. Let's see. Goodbye, airplane. So look, now it landed. Now all the people are able to get off, right? And go to wherever they wanted to go. Good job, my friends. The end. So the airplane is another form of transportation, right? But the airplane takes us all the way up in the sky, right? Like a hot air balloon, a helicopter as well that go up in the sky, a spaceship, right? Because it takes us from where we live to somewhere that's really, really far away, because sometimes in the car, it's too far. All right, my friends, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you loved the book. All right, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. Love you.